Don't know what that was, but hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy my new little setup here. We are really trying to rock and roll for you guys. I'm trying to get better at this YouTube thing, you know. But today's makeup, I'm not really sure what it's gonna be. Your girl was asked out on a date. This dude is no good for me. He never has been any good for me, but I continue to go back. Ladies, I know you felt me. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. T-shirt today, one time for Lil Saint. Y'all know how we do. Let's do a smoky, sultry look today. Something easy for my chicks, but you know, whatever. So we gon' I wish I could be serious. We are gonna start out with, oh shit, I think I messed up my stuff. So we're gonna start out with the Juvia's Place palette. And this is the Warrior palette. We're gonna use, y'all know, my favorite color, 𝐾𝐞. We're gonna start out with 𝐾𝐞. You know what? This look, we may be able to use this one palette. Yeah, probably. Okay, let me see where I can go with this. But we're just going to apply this, right? Y'all, I seriously don't even know why I'm going out with this dude, because he is no good. Like, we have been trying and trying and trying. Every single time, it never fails. He do some stupid shit. I don't even know where I'm going. He said, let me take you out because I know you like to eat. I said, you know I do. You know I love to eat. Fine, I'm gonna come. I'll come just because you mentioned food. So here we are, me sitting over here getting all glammed up for this shit. Ladies, why do we do that? Like, we be knowing dudes ain't shit, and we just keep going back. Like, I don't know what it's gonna take for me. Like, I be having dudes that are really good guys, and I just keep wanting to deal with these stupid ass people all the time. Like, these dudes be really, really sweet, really nice. They be trying to give me some money and stuff. No, I just want to stay with people that's gonna hurt my feelings. I don't know what it is. I think I'm gonna go see a psychiatrist about that, because I think it's something wrong. Like, honey child, boo boo girl, you gotta get your life together. You can't be letting dudes just out here play you. You know what I'm saying? You just that's not gonna work. Can't be doing that. Okay, I don't know, y'all. I just got problems. You know, I be having dudes that be really wanting to take me out on dates, and I just don't want that, you know. But he offered to take me to the Waffle House. I'm like, yes, I want to go. Like, yes, I'm totally down. I just like to be mistreated just a tad bit. So I'm making my eyes like super duper brown, because I want them to be like brownest of the brown. Like I said, I want to do like a simple but sultry look. So I'm making them uber brown, and I think that's good right there. That's, oh, my brows look weird. I don't know, but we gonna fix it. I don't know, because it's off somehow. Now we're gonna use the Makeup Chamber palette. Y'all, my Makeup Chamber palette has been through hell and back. Okay, so excuse it. But we're gonna use this color down here, Betai or something like that. I like this brown because it's not too dark of a brown. It's just like a really light brown. That brown that if I can talk, that brown that's in the Juvia's Place palette is, I mean, it's extreme. It's a little bit too dark for the look that I'm going for today. Y'all see that? Like, it's pretty soft. It's a soft brown, and that's what I want. So yeah, we're just gonna put this in the crease, blend it on out. Yeah, I know I like to blend, just my thing. Blending and building color is totally my zhuzh. Like, that's just my zhuzh. Like, I just like to do it, okay? I'm gonna blend that into that crease. Kind of hold your head back. If you're having a hard time finding a crease, you can find it that way. Let's go. Okay. I think I'm gonna do it one more time just because I want, like, again, a little sultry look. Not sultry, sultry, sultry. I don't know what accent that is. I don't even know where I got that from. Just something I do, you know. I like that though. That's cute. Okay. All right, peeps. So I've already cut my crease. Now I'm thinking about, cause I'm like, I just probably want like something subtle, cause I want to do a dramatic wing. So I'm not really sure. I think I want to do like even a matte look today. Like, girl, you are really stepping out the box. Shit. What is wrong with my hands? I'm always grabbing shit. Okay. Let's do, oh, y'all can't see. Let's do this color. Let's see how that's gonna work out. Let me see. And I'm just gonna like lightly make sure that I blend this into like all the colors. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, that's what we're doing. So I want like a very subtle transition. And I'm just taking like a blending brush, the same brush that we did our crease with, and I'm just using this now on the lid to blend. Okay, this is real soft and subtle. I'm probably gonna have to darken up those edges a little bit, because y'all know I like a nice little darkness over there in that corner. And I feel like this probably just drowned out the brown just a tad bit. So yeah, we're probably gonna have to darken that up. Okay, so to do that, I'm trying to think of which color I want to use. Let's use this color, that one. And I'm just like putting it right there on the lid and just digging into the crease, so we don't, you know, like darken it up too much. There you go. I'm like, what was I trying to say? That's what I was trying to say. I'm like, do I want to make this a shimmer or do I want to keep this matte? Like I'm thinking about keeping it matte. As you guys can see, I have not gone back into the brown. Sorry, my kids are being super loud. They about to get popped. I have not gone back into the deeper shade brown. I'm just keeping it there and just kind of moving it and blending it at the same time in that little corner to give me that darkened crease that I want. I'm also blending it out into that little burgundy color we just applied, so it's a nice little transition. Okay, so now we're gonna take this color and we're just going to apply that right here, like midsection. I'm just gonna put that up in there. I'm not sure where the hell this look is going. I'm just praying and hoping that it comes out amazeballs, because again, we have a date and I ain't got time to restart. So come on, work with me, colors, okay? Okay, so now that we've applied that, I'm gonna flip the brush over to the clean side and we're gonna dip right here into this white color, and we're just going to apply that right there on top. It's very fallish, that's for sure. And we're just going to make sure it's a nice little transition from that little brown color into the white. So build your color, but also tap into the previous color to make sure it's, you know, transitioning correctly. Look at me growing up using big words. I like it. Okay. Hello moment. I was proud of myself. because y'all know normally I'll be like, well, just put it right there and do this right here. Now that's what you gonna get out your girl. Anyway, stay focused, Ari. Just gonna apply that up in there. It's kind of like I want to look good, but then at the same time I'm like, why are you doing all of this again? Because he has not been the nicest. He is not even crap, but I want to, you know, look, this is what you've been missing. Okay, that's what I want. And I'm going back in with like the tan color and just tapping it right there on top to make sure everything is nice and blended. One more time with the white color. Barely touching it. Barely. Okay. So now I'm going to take like my little brush right here and just kind of blend that into each other. There we go. So now I'm going to do my winged eyeliner and nice show return. Okay, peeps. So I've applied my lashes and then I went into my waterline with green because like I wanted to pop a color and I like green on my skin tone. And then I realized that TaylorMade Jane made this same look, kind of similar to this look, and she went on the bottom lash line with green, and that was the absolute worst look to me. Like I hated everything about that look because so many people jumped on the bandwagon for that. So we're gonna try to cover this up because I'm like, oh no, I cannot be a bandwagoner. I just can't. But I love these lashes. I got these for $4.99 at my beauty supply store. These are the Miss Lash and the ML568. Oh my God. Okay, peeps. So my video cut off while I was on my foundation and stuff like that, so I can't show you that part. But I did use the Beauty Bakerie setting powder. I used the flour version in order to bake. So we're gonna see how this turns out. Hopefully it turns out amazeballs. Let's go. So this is how it looks after I've blended out the excess powder. I have not done anything, literally just took a big kabuki brush and blended, oh, I hit this out of my head, and blended it out. Like literally that is it. I'm looking for my blush so I can blush and highlight and come back and show you guys the finished look. Right, so this is my finished look. I always wanted to do that and now I was able to do it. So I did set it with my setting spray, so I'm just simply fanning out my face right now to make sure it gets dry, honey. But I do like it. Something very simple. Which I hate when your hair gets stuck. See your lip gloss, like, oh. Okay, so this is something, again, that's super simple, but with like a pop of color. I love it. I had to tone down that under eye again. I did not want to do TaylorMade Jane's makeup so to tone that down. But I really do like it. I'm going to go ahead and do my hair. And I'm going to come back and show you guys the finished result for my date night, honey. Okay, people. So this is my finished face. My date did cancel, as I knew he would. So we are not going on a date. But if you were going on a date, this look would totally work for you. I really, really like the way that it came out. I think it's subtle, not too much. The glow, it's amazeballs. So you guys make sure that you like and do not forget to subscribe below. I love you guys and thank you so much for watching.